On a rainy day, while passing by a bridge, we accidentally discovered a stray puppy lying down on the side of there. Scaring of her health, we immediately got out of the car and came closer to check up. The first thing we paid attention to was the wound on her nose. It could be caused by a car accident because there are a lot of cars passing by frequently. Upon arrival, she was immediately taken to the emergency room. Then, the vet urgently examined her injuries. After treating her wounds, they gave her a warm bathe. To help her recover quickly, the vet needed to keep her at the clinic to observe carefully. The little dog was moved to a private cage. Meanwhile, we waited for the test result from the veterinarian. The dog was well behaved during that time, which improved our mood. About 30 minutes later, the test results were available, so the vet immediately called us to inform. Specifically, she had an accident which caused injuries to her head. Move over. It caused some parts of her face show signs of hematoma. The most obvious sign is in her eyes. However, it was fortunate that her skull was not affected. One week later, her health was much better, showing that the hematoma on her face is also gradually melting and her eyes are slowly returning to normal. As time passed by, she became more agile after 1 week of treatment and rest. That was a proof showing that our efforts were effective. 2 weeks later, as we can see, her health has changed, and we were ready to welcome her to our home. As we hoping, 1 month later, her health has completely recovered. After examining her overall health, the vet discharged her from the hospital. It was her first time going out after a month in the hospital, so she was quite excited. At that time, we arrived home with a new member. And from now on, she will live in this house and under our love. As we see, this is the first time she comes into contact with a new living environment, so she is quite timid. In there, she met some new friends, and so lucky all of them were welcome this member. The very next day, we took the little girl out home for some activities. We spent all of the day playing with her and hoped that could make her feel relaxed and forget all of the bad things in the past. Finally, all her troubles were over. With her determination, she overcame everything in an extraordinary way. Now her reward is a happy new life. She gained love and protection from those around her. Hope that she will always be happy and good things will always come to her.